So first step is to install this night tab extension. I will provide link of this tab in the description box below, so go and check it out. Now click on add to Chrome and add extension. Now this will automatically download and do all kind of things, so you don't have to do anything. Now extension has been installed successfully, so you can open new tab and you can see whole layout has been changed and this look amazing, right? This is most amazing UI experiences I've ever had in my Chrome, and it has many more options, like you can change the background color to anything. This will be changed, or you can keep it white, anything. Like if you want to do black, this will be black, or accent you can change it to anything. Okay, so you can customize further as your preferences and it will look amazing. And I won't be satisfied with this. I will be changing this and I will make this much more beautiful. So follow along this tutorial and you will make your Chrome very beautiful. So next thing, we have to download some customized theme to make this even more better. So I will provide the download link in the description box below. Just go and download that. I have already downloaded it, so I will just go and extract the file. So I will go in my downloads folder and here it is. So I will extract this to my home page. So extract file to the desktop, click OK and done. So these are the themes, and here is a screenshot of all the themes provided by it. So just look it. This is the default which we are using right now, and all of them are much more beautiful and creative. This is so much creative. It will change your Chrome experience forever. So you guys can check it out and do whatever you like. So I like this one, so I'll be having this is theme 11. So I will make this as my default theme. You can do whatever you like. So this is the theme 11. I like it. Now we need to import that customizable theme over here. So click on this setting and go to data and click on import data and select your favorite theme. Mine one was theme 11, so I will open it and theme is imported successfully, and now you can see this is amazing. It looks fabulous, right? I will be keeping this theme as my permanent and I will use it. I like this so much. So you guys can change your Chrome experience forever, and this is the most beautiful experience I've ever had. So I hope guys you enjoyed this video, and if you did, then please hit that like button and not forget to subscribe to see this kind of content much more often. And I will see you in another one. Take care. Goodbye.